Hi there, it's Connie-Rae. Welcome to ConnieRae'sCraftRoom.com. Thank you for joining me. Today I have this gorgeous crafty share using the envelope punch board and also using our Gingham Gala 6x6 designer series paper. These are the boxes, these are the colours, and they are so adorable and everything matches. It's so cute. So the colours that we have got everything in is Daffodil Delight, Grapefruit Grove, Highland Heather, Lemon Lime Twist, and the one that I'm going to be making for you is going to be Balmy Blue. So I'm going to show you how I've done this. The other thing that I wanted to mention was that you can also get the matching sequence for these, which is the Daffodil Delight, the Grapefruit Grove, the Highland Heather, and the Lemon Lime Twist. So you can get the sequence, you can get the designer series paper, you can obviously get the ink that is going to match. Here we go here. So there's our Grapefruit Grove, our, running out of room, Highland Heather, our pineapple, what colour is that? Daffodil Delight, sorry. I don't know where I got pineapple from. Oh, I got pineapple here because this is actually pineapple punch. I don't have the ink in the Daffodil Delight, so I've used pineapple punch. And Lemon Lime Twist, I do have that, and Highland Heather. And I don't have the Balmy Blue, but I did use Blueberry Bushel. So there you go. So everything coordinates, and it's really sweet. It's a lovely project, great for Easter. Anything that you want to pop in there. And the other thing that I did want to mention is in the Celebration catalogue, you can actually get these that are also coordinating, and these are one of the free items that you can select. So you've got your Daffodil Delight, your Grapefruit Grove, which is this one. There you go there. Let me see if I can put those for you to see. And then you've got your Highland Heather, and you've got your Lemon Lime Twist, and you've got the Balmy Blue, and they're free. So these projects are so good in terms of coordinating colours. But that's why I like Stampin' Up, because everything just coordinates. I love it. The colours are just good. All right, so I will show you how I've made these little boxes. Very easy to do. Oh, I've also used for the little sentiment, I've already gone ahead and done this one as I suggested. I don't have the Balmy Blue, so I use the other colour. Now in the sweet, there we go, in the sweet things, I have used this stamp here and Sweets for You. And I've also used out of the matching, well, the coordinating jar of sweets framelit dies, there is this die here which cuts out that sentiment, and I've already gone ahead and done that, so I've just stamped it and cut it out, so it just saves a bit of time. So I will go ahead and I will show you how this is made. It's really easy, the easiest little box to make, and it's fun. So you need your envelope punch board. Am I going in and out there? Let me just have a look, because there's nothing more annoying. Yes, I am. Okay, let me take that off auto and just bring it in a little bit. My apologies, guys. Okay, that should be fine now. You shouldn't really have any of that bothering you anymore. Okay, good. All right, so you need your envelope punch board, and you're going to go get your 6x6 piece of paper. This is really good for 6x6. Perfect, because you use the whole thing. So you go up to, now I can't get my little piece of paper in. Okay, so I think this inspiration was from Poodles, and I will include the link down below where she has done another version of this. Yeah, and it's a great little box, and it's basically from poodles.co.uk. So you can have a look at that. All right, so you go to 1.5. I'll just change my glasses so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we go up to 1.5, which is here, and we, the glasses didn't help. Punch, and where is the score? I need my glasses, I've got the wrong glasses on. The score line, so we go to 1.5 and score and punch. Then we go up to 3, punch and score, whichever way you want to word it. And then you go right up to the very end of the punch board up to here. And then you're just scoring the tip of the piece of paper, just across like that. Turn it round, and then you're going to marry up your lines. You're going to ignore these little score bits on the ends there, and you're going to marry up with your main lines that you've put in, and just do your normal envelope punch board. So you punch in with this notch on the first line and score, and then you go down to the second line and we punch and score, and then we go right up to the end again and just score that little corner. And then we do this again. So we go up to this, the first line that we have scored, punch and score again. Go up to the second line. It is pretty hard to see. Punch and score again. And then take it right up to the edge and just score. Turn it around and do exactly the same. So it's very repetitive, but it's good. So we go up to that first line, punch and score. And then up to the second line, punch and score. And then we go right up to the edge of the board and just score that little line. And that's basically it. Have I got it all right? Yes, I have. So then the next thing you just want to make sure that your lines here are even, just so that you can score them. But I wouldn't worry too much about it, because you can score them with just the little mark that you've put in. It's just that the scoring option there doesn't go all the way through, but that's okay. Very easy fix. There we go. Now it is very difficult to see, I know, but yeah, it is a bit tricky. But if you just follow those instructions, and I'll write this information all on my blog and also on the YouTube channel, so that you can actually see basically what I'm doing. The next thing we're going to do is just round the corners. Lovely. Get this out of the way. And then we are going to just score our lines. I've used the big pattern. You can use the little one too. It's entirely up to you. Okay, so we're just going to burnish our lines. Just gently but firmly, because it is designer series paper. So you want to make sure that we are not overdoing it and cutting it. And these papers are in the Occasions catalogue. Okay, so that's all been burnished and scored. As you can see, the box is coming together. But what we need to do now is nothing like we normally do in terms of cutting. We're just doing a very simple cut. So the longest, the biggest, thickest, I should say, or the longest corner here is the one that we're going to be working from on both sides. These little ones stay on the side. So all we're doing here is just cutting up to the first line from here to here, and that's it. Same on this side. Turn it round again on the widest side, straight up to the first score line and straight up to the first score line, and that's it. Very easy, isn't it? Okay, so then we're just going to put some glue here. Depending what you put in the box, basically is what, you know, if you're going to put something heavy in, I would use tear and tape or your Tombow, but it's entirely up to you. And you're just going to bring your lines in sync with each other, nice and even. Oh, I clearly didn't probably put enough glue on that. Maybe I just didn't press it hard enough. There we go. There we go. So basically you're going to throw in your Easter eggs if you're putting Easter eggs in, or whatever it is you choose to put in. And then you're going to pop this one down and then this one over. And that is your little box. Isn't that cute? So then we're just going to marry up with our gorgeous balmy blue ribbon. Actually, this is every time I work on one of them, it's like, oh, I like this one. And then I think, oh, I like this one. And then I think, oh, no, I like this one more. To be honest, I like them all. Yes, and I've used way too much ribbon there, but you know, as you do when you're on film. Okay. And then I've got my little, I just want to put them all in the same order. And like I said, I used the blue bushel for this one, but you can use the balmy bloom if you've got it, because it is a nice colour. So I'm just looking for something. What I was going to thinking of doing is just put a little glue dot under here if you... Okay, I can't find my little tweezery thing. What do I do with it? Oh, there it is, my pick. Okay. I'm just going to put a glue dot under there because I like them to stay secure and shut. So I would be doing that just to make sure, or tie the ribbon really well, one or the other, just to make sure they do stay shut. There we go. So, and this one is going to go like that, the same as the other ones. And such a cute project, so easy to do. Have a practice on some spare paper first, because you always need to practice these things. Unless you're an expert at these things, which is even better. And then we'll put the little sequins that coordinate with them. Aren't they cute? Little flowers and little sequins. So cute. There we go. And that is the Gingham Gala treat boxes. Aren't they so sweet? All right, that's the tutorial. How good is that? A quick tutorial too. So thank you very much for stopping by. I can't believe that's probably the quickest tutorial I think I've ever done. I don't know. But it is a really fun project, and it's really pretty for Easter, I think, because a lot of the Easter egg colours are in these too. They're very soft colours, aren't they? Really lovely. So thank you very much for joining me. Do like, share, subscribe, and any of the information to purchase these products will be included in the links below. And please do like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time for a new tutorial when I get there. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good day. Bye for now.